Socializing 73. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over a strange attitude many people have adopted. When they are questioned about things they are unaware of, instead of admitting the truth, they give a reply which has little or no foundation in the truth. This can become a serious issue, especially in matters connected to Islam. A Muslim may get punished for giving incorrect information which others act on. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2351. This is because they ignorantly attributed things to Allah, the Exalted, or the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Because of these people, strange beliefs and customs have become attached to Islam, which is a great deviation from the truth brought by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. In fact, many of the cultural customs Muslims have adopted, believing them to be a part of Islam, occurred because of this ignorant mentality. These people believe that if they simply admit they do not know something, they will appear foolish to others. This mentality in itself is extremely foolish, as the righteous predecessors would stress the importance of admitting one's ignorance so that others do not become misguided. In fact, the righteous predecessors would only count the person who behaved in this manner as an intelligent person, and counted the one who answered every question posed to them a fool. This attitude is often observed in elders who often advise their children on issues relating to the world and religion, instead of admitting their ignorance and directing them to someone who knows the truth. When elders act in this way, they fail their duty in rightly guiding their dependents, which has been indicated in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 2928. Muslims should therefore gain correct knowledge, whether worldly or religious, before advising others, and in cases they are unaware of something they should admit it, as this will not reduce their rank in any way. If anything, Allah, the Exalted, and people will appreciate their honesty.